CreateAiCourse is a brand new AI tool that has just been released. And if you're looking to dive into creating online courses or digital products, this might be the perfect software for you. In this CreateAiCourse AI review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving into it. So stick around until the end for some surprising insights. I'll also mention how you can try this software completely for free from the link below, so you can see if it's the right fit for your needs. First up, let's talk about how CreateAiCourse works. This AI software is designed to help creators, educators, and entrepreneurs build online courses quickly and easily using AI-driven templates. You don't need to be an expert in course creation to get started, which is a huge plus for beginners. The software streamlines the entire process, from content creation to design, saving you countless hours. One of the standout features of CreateAiCourse is its ability to automatically generate course content based on your niche or expertise. Whether you're in digital marketing, fitness, or tech, the software can help generate detailed lessons, quizzes, and assessments without needing you to manually write every lesson. This can be a game changer for anyone looking to produce a course quickly. Now, while automation is great, what truly sets CreateAiCourse apart is its deep customization options. Even though it's AI-driven, you can still personalize every aspect of your course. You're not stuck with cookie-cutter templates. You can modify the layout, design, and even the tone of the content, making it feel unique to your brand. This level of flexibility helps you produce a course that feels authentic to your style. The user interface is simple and intuitive, making it easy to navigate for both beginners and advanced users. You don't need to have a tech background to figure things out. And for those who need a little extra guidance, CreateAiCourse provides tutorials and support to help you get started. Another major advantage is its integration with popular learning management systems, LMS, and platforms. You can easily publish your courses on platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or even sell directly from your own website. This level of integration means you have more control over how and where you distribute your courses, giving you more freedom to scale your business. When it comes to pricing, CreateAiCourse offers a free trial, which is great for testing the software and deciding if it's right for you. After that, the pricing plans are pretty competitive compared to other course creation tools, especially considering the AI-powered features that come with it. If you're serious about course creation, this is a solid option that won't break the bank. One thing that's worth noting is that, while the AI can help create content, you still need to put in the effort to add your personal touch and expertise. It's a tool to speed up the process, but it's not a complete substitute for your knowledge and creativity. That said, it takes a lot of the hard work out of the equation, which is what makes it so valuable. To wrap things up, CreateAiCourse is a powerful tool that simplifies course creation, saving you time and effort while offering flexibility to make your courses your own. Whether you're an educator, entrepreneur, or someone looking to turn your expertise into a profitable course, CreateAiCourse AI is worth checking out. You can try it for free with the link in the description below. And if you're curious about other AI tools I recommend after trying thousands of them, you'll find those in the description too. So if you're serious about creating high-quality online courses without spending months on production, give CreateAiCourse a try today.